Hi, my name is Joaquin Asiain, and welcome to this course called Virtual Reality Therapy and Mental Health Care. I'm a licensed psychologist from Argentina, currently working as a therapist in the field of mental health. I offer clinical service from an integrative framework to whoever looks for a consultation or a psychological treatment. I graduated at the University of Belgrano, and with the purpose of sharing and being critical of knowledge without solid arguments, I also teach there in two different cathedrals: social psychology and epistemology and methodology of scientific research. I'm also a member of the Research Laboratory in Psychology and Information and Communication Technologies, and my research focuses principally on virtual reality, human-machine interaction, and video games psychology and therapy. I attended multiple congresses and read several academic articles about the intersection between technologies and mental health. And with all the knowledge I've gathered in the last 5 years, I decided to build the one thing there's no good online course about: virtual reality from a psychological point of view. This is my first time setting a course online, and I really hope you would give it an opportunity. So, who is this course for? It's for everyone interested in how VR technology works from a human, psychological perspective. You don't need any kind of experience to understand and comprehend every class. This course is actually very useful for students, professors, therapists, clinicians, psychotherapists, researchers, enthusiasts, game designers, software engineers, digital artists, philosophers, amongst others. Now, let's get into some interesting points. What are the goals of this course? As you can see in my presentation here, and by the way, there's gonna be a presentation for every class, the first goal to this course is to be integratively updated in virtual reality applied to mental health, specifically to psychology. The second goal is to comprehend fundamental phenomenology and human perception. The third goal is to know how the underlying mechanisms of perception interact with digital environments. The fourth goal to this course is to know how professionals use VR for assessment, therapeutic treatment, and scientific research. The fifth goal is to identify control and safety aspects of VR application with human beings. The sixth and last goal is to be comprehensively updated on the state-of-the-art of evidence-based research about VR professional use for mental health care. Every class has its own resources, each one with a visual presentation and videos of me talking about the topic I'm most passionate about. Like this. But there's even more. At the end of each class, you'll be able to access a list with all the references and sources I used, for you to be able to look up as much additional information and details as you want. So every time you see one of these, keep them in mind, because the number indicates the corresponding number in the resources and references list of every class. Thank you for considering this course, and see you in the first class!